Alright, just want to show you guys a little something here. See, I changed the CV axle on this, and the bearing and the tie rod end and the lower control arm on this side. But when I drive, it still makes a cracking sound. Okay, here's something I want to show you. It's a trick a friend of mine gave me. You go to the auto parts place and you buy this needle. It says, hang on, it's called a narrow needle nose dispenser, right there. So you buy that, and you get these grease fittings that some people call zerts, and you stick one in there, but you gotta get the size that fits the needle. And once you do that, you take your grease gun. I'm hoping everything is in the picture here, and you stick it in there. Once you got it in there, you make a hole about this size in your boot for the CV axle, and then you insert the needle in the hole. So I guess, according to this, I'd make a hole about the size of 1/8 and then force it in, because you don't want to rip the thing up. And you just grease the heck out of it until the grease starts coming out, and it should quiet the noisy CV axle. Yeah, I better bring my other van back in the yard. Or not, I actually only need my tool there. Yeah, this thing. Let me lock her up. I have a neighbor down the road that I don't trust. I'm sure everybody's got one of them. It's unfortunate, but they do exist. These rotten people that all they know how to do is steal and cause problems. And my neighbor down the road must be about 70 years old, and he's a career criminal. He's been to jail a few times. He robbed one of my neighbors about 1.5 to 2 years ago, and I was hoping that my neighbors would have him arrested, but they just didn't want any trouble. They had just sold the place, and they figured the heck with it, you know, which is too bad, because he would have went to jail for the rest of his life as an habitual criminal. So we missed out on that one. I was looking for my glasses, and I just saw my shadow. Noticed they were on top of my head. Damn, it ain't fun getting old. Now I hope that these aren't too hard to take off. I just had the wheel off 2 days ago. So let's try this. Yeah. Yeah, with the new bearing. Don't do that. here comes a friend of mine. I'm glad you didn't stop to talk, because it's usually a really long ordeal. Alright, let's get the drill. Make that hole, or holes, because there's two ends, two rubber boots on there. Now, I'm going to have fun with this. And now, here it is. Put this back. Oh, wait. I gotta open that. I don't like that crap. Now, where is it? Yeah. This one. Or is that too big? I'll take the smaller. Yeah, here. This one's nice and small. Let's hope all is well. Now, I got one boot right here behind the disc, and I got the other boot way in the back. So I'm going to start with this one in the back. I'm going to drill further into it. There. And then this one, I'm going to drill it right here. Okay. I hope I remember where I did it. And I gotta go and get that grease gun. Let's go hunting. We're hunting for wabbits. Do I remember where I did it? I don't know. I think it was, hang on, let me get these glasses off. I think it was right in here. Where did I do it? Was it there or in another one? Oh, my thing just popped off. Never anything easy. Come on. Where did it go? I'm sure it was here. I got such bad eyes. I think I better drill a new hole. So big deal, I'll have an extra hole. And maybe I won't go so far. Maybe I'll just do it right here. There. I remember where that is. I can see it, I think. Yeah, I got it. Now, how's it looking? It's hard to tell at this point. But I know that it's going in because my that metal handle at the back. It's going inwards. Alright, let's not use the whole thing on it. Is it coming out somewhere? Check it out. Oh yeah, I need the drill. I'm forgetting stuff. Alright, will I find it? I think it was here. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah, got it. Getting there. Alright, now let's do the other one. I'm hoping grease got in there and not just air. Yep, let's make sure that it's not just air. I think I'm right at the end now. Yep, I don't think I got any more. What do you think? Do I got any more? No. I think I took it all. Well, we're having fun. Finally got the wheel back on. And I'm glad my friend told me about injecting the grease in my boots of the CV axle. Watch this. Look at what happened. As I was putting my wheel back together, I noticed something scary. If I could get it open. Hang on. Okay. I was looking and I saw there's a gap in between there. I don't know if you see it. I can't use the other hand to show you. Hang on. Maybe I can show it like this. Okay. Oops. Right in here. So I noticed it was separating. And then I noticed... where was it? Oh, I can't open it now. There. This thing came apart. And some of the bearings are gone, and one of them I saw had a total flat side to it. I don't know if I'll come across it now. But you see there's about 6 of them missing. I mean, they're never completely full, but there's more than what you see now. Yeah, one of these was completely flat on one side, which is probably that crunching sound. And the fact that this probably separated and was digging it so it wasn't centered anymore. Anyway, so I'm really glad that's done. Now we're gonna go and test drive it as soon as I clean my hands a bit. Thanks for watching.